installing the 12018 nail gun hanger to the DeWalt DW451S2 wide crown stapler. Now we had somebody looking for a hanger for this stapler, and we were able to adapt this nail gun hanger to it. You'll order it from the custom section of the website, toolhangers.com, and basically we're just cutting one ear off the hanger and kind of grinding down the tube because it's hitting the bracket here. It'll also come with an M6x30 bolt and a 1/4 inch SAE washer. So the first thing you'll do is you'll remove the bolt holding the track to the body. You'll go ahead and save the nut and washer. We won't use this bolt here, this original bolt. You'll take your new bolt, thread it through the hanger, put your SAE washer on the other side. That helps hold it away from this bracket a little bit better. Feed it through the hole. Put the original nut and washer back on the other side. Super simple here. And we're just going to tighten that down. Like to get it nice and straight with the track. And just crank her on down. Check her every now and then. But pretty much just that simple. Here it is. Folds up, out, and down.